That is it. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. If you haven't, I've got fluff on my finger. But anyway, we're there in Jamaica. You know? Yeah, if you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. Press that like button, get it really moving. Today, notice we like the garden things, people. So we are actually at a garden centre in Jamaica. How about that? That's a new one for you. So, show you around. We'll see what kind of plants they got there. I bought a June plum plant yesterday, so I'll show that in. She's back at the house, relaxing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's show you around, people. Let's go. Some little palm trees. Are they coconut palms? No, just normal ones. Oh, okay. Yeah. Some little palm trees, people. So, dragon fruit then grow off like cactus?
Yeah, they grow like that.
Oh, okay. See it there, people. I don't know if it is dragon fruit, but it's a cactus anyway.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Dragon fruit have more.
Yeah? Oh, okay, see it there, people. Look at this. I would love to take all these trees back. Look, this is little breadfruit trees, people. Look at that. Breadfruit tree. Julie mango tree. Neesberry. Citrus one, then more mango there. Wicked, isn't it? Yeah, man. Well, want a breadfruit tree there. One? Custard apple.
Or sweet stuff. One of them. I think it's a custard apple tree.
Oh, okay. It's a nutmeg tree. Ah, people, man, I wish this was my yard. I'd carry everything. I would carry everything to my yard. I'd have everything growing in my house. Look, mangoes, Neesberry. This is June plum. This is one I bought yesterday. Yeah. If you said the Neesberry, if anything, yeah, quite smaller. So I mean, I look for something to carry back. Or this little lime, West Indian lime. But Neesberry is more of like an authentic Jamaican.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Lime, we can, yeah, so. Maybe the Neesberry people, because it's small. Some nice flowers. Christmas flowers. Plants here. Yeah. But it's definitely better than the plant places in the UK. Of course. What's that?
These are Christmas trees as well.
These one?
Yeah, it's the same. Panseta.
Okay. Yeah.
It's all Christmas flowers.
Alright. Yeah, some nice little flowers over here, people. Yeah, I think.
Love that movie.
Catalina.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's true. About 3 times what I showed.
Yeah, man. The Geo just let me know, say whatever I can carry back. Oh, it is dragon fruit, people. That. Yeah. You guess it right, babe. A dragon fruit free. Yeah, my father. I'm feeling say the little Neesberry one. I gonna be the easiest thing to carry back.
Neesberry?
Yeah.
That's saying I get vegan.
Yeah.
That's a true.
Yeah, but remember say you came in there, so now I gonna get that big.
Sure?
Nah. I don't think so. That's what we said about the bay leaf tree, and then some big bay leaf tree, massive. Yeah. Bro, if I lived in Jamaica, I'd grow everything. I'm in the UK. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm trying to show him. I'm in the UK right now. We got callaloo, Scotch bonnet, pumpkin, got a little banana tree there.
Yeah.
I had sorrel, but the sorrel kind of kill off. Yeah, man, bare things, bro. Anything that grabber,
Yeah.
anything that can catch and like callaloo, grabber, it's just
Oh no, bro, I agree.
indoors.
Indoors.
Indoor.
Yeah, can grow weed outside in the summer, but it not strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, it no good.
Where can we get
Yeah.
that?
For spread, so, bro. If you have the space,
We have what's that?
Grows mad, innit, people?
yeah, they the feel. Just love the sun.
Yeah.
Love the water too.
I know about it. I've been reading about it. May I read?
If you stop that, you feel tell me.
That is it.
And you know,
Toto Wagwan.
I thought
So there we are, people. This is a plant center in Jamaica. I got my Nursery. Gonna pay for it inside, and it's gonna do a little bit of traveling. That is it. All right, people. Look, see all these. It was the same make that I got all the cucumber and everything from last year. So yeah, what they got here? Look. Callaloo, broccoli, carrot, corn, cucumber, hot pepper, sweet pepper, string beans, turnip, yeah, sorrel. Yeah, man, we gotta get some of them. Yeah, so I bought some tomatoes, callaloo, sorrel, and some hot pepper. Yeah, I got my tomato, my hot pepper, my callaloo, my sorrel, and my Nursery plant. I'm going back to the UK. Let's cook and vibe. Take a little time out to reach one little waterfall. Nice part of Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yes, cook and vibe. We reach. That is it. Right there. Oh, all of that.
ginger, but it not grow yet.
Oh, okay. We're just walking, people. We see some ginger. Just come from the waterfall and see some ginger growing in the ground. That's it there. See it there?
Ginger.
This good?
Yes, but it's young.
Let me carry this.
Yeah, okay.
Let me keep it, people. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, that is it, Cook and Vibe. Come to get some food. Yes, people, we've come to Lucky Crabs. Look at that. It's in Kingston. Even got my favourite, look, escovitch. See there, babe? Crabs, crawfish, shrimp, fish, lobster, got mashed potato. Yeah. I'm not even going to do a review. I'm just going to enjoy this, people. I'm sure it's going to taste beautiful. And unfortunately, you're not going to get a review. I'm hungry and I'm going to enjoy myself. That is it. Oh my God. People, it's amazing. See all the little sauce that's on it. Oh, it's mad. And then you've got the garlic butter, the crabs, the shrimp, crawfish, lobster, the fish, and look, it's got the escovitch. It's mad. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy it. Look at that, people. It's a plant nursery in Jamaica. Mango trees. We've got a mini June plum. I'm going to try and take this back to England. Yeah, I'm gonna try to carry it back, people, and try to keep it alive until the summer. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That is it. June plum's coming home with me. No one's ever grew June plum in England before. I'm going to be the first person to grow June plum in England. We need June plum, link up. $500 for one. That is it, people. We're back in the UK. We're ready to plant this. So my sorrel, this is my sorrel plant. Dead. Things are still a little bit, it's still alive, but it's cold. It's really, really cold. So I'm gonna plant the June plum tree straight in here. Yeah, and then take it indoors. So basically this is how I bring it back. I wrapped it up in the little bit of, wrapped the roots up in some tissue, and then I wrapped it in like a wet t-shirt, and I carried them back. This needs reviving very, very quickly. Very, very quickly. She's in. I don't want to give it too much water because it's kind of wet already. It's wet already, so I'll just give it a little top up with some water and get this inside in the heat with some light in the front window, I think. Now for the kneesberry. I think this one looks like it's good still, man. So I'm gonna just plant it in here because I've got to rush out to central London to do some filming. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plant it in this little one for now, just so it's in soil, and put it back in the heat. I'll show you where I'll put it in a minute. But yeah, that is it, people. They're back in England. I tell you, this one made it back good. Look at that. Yeah, it's still well alive. Give that some water and put them in the heat. Yeah, man. Then reach. That is it. All right, this is the best place for them, people. There's a heater right there in the window, so they get light and they get heat. Hopefully, the June plum comes back to life. The kneesberry looks good. We don't have to worry too much about her. Let's hope. People, I'll see you soon. That is it.